How to change your oil in a 2013 Cadillac XTS. So that's what we're doing today. We got a leak somewhere. We got to figure out where that's coming from too. Well, today we just gonna change the oil. Take it loose right down at that bolt. See, can I get it off? It's real airtight on him. There we go. We had to break the screw. All people put it on there so tight we can't get it off. So we're getting it off now. We letting the oil out. Look back a little bit. Catch it skeet out there. Well. Here we go. There we go. It's black too. It's been a minute. Gotta get it up out of there though. It's a lot of work we need to do to this car, but we're gonna get it done. We're gonna get it done. If you got a Cadillac, you're gonna need some work done to it. So most times it needs a lot of work if it's used. If you like the video, subscribe and like the video. There's plenty more videos coming. This part 1. Tomorrow, cabin filter. We're going to put one of them in. And then when I get the tie rods, we're going to put that in the lower control arm. We're going to put that in. And that should be it for this car for a minute. Oh, and find this oil leak. We definitely going to find this oil leak. We don't want the oil leaking back out. Other than that, we're good to go. Put this screw right here. Make sure you don't lose your screw. And let that drain all out. Now let me take the filter off. Okay. You see I got everything out so I can get to the filter. I broke it, so it should be already ready to come off. Let's screw it off. Screw it off. Make sure the pan up under there. Screw it off. There we go. I don't know if y'all put oil in the new filter and put it back on there, but I usually put a little bit and put around the rim of it so it can coat it on dry, stick in there, and put it back together. Put the oil back in there. This car holds 6 quarts of oil, fully synthetic. And I have the oil right there. I use this Mobile One Extended Performance. That's a good brand. But you can use whatever you want. This is the original oil that go in the motor. So it's best to go back with the original and put it in there. And after that, I'm gonna wash this motor off at the bottom, get some of this oil off. and I'll be done. Put the oil back in, and there we go. All right, we putting the filter back in. I poured a little oil down in there, and we finna screw it in. It's good to, get it good and hand tight first, and then go back and tighten it up. Good and tight. We don't want it too tight, but you can't get it off now. So get it just right. And you gotta excuse this oil thing I got. It's not the best of the best, but it's alright. Work. If I can get it on there good. Sometimes best is just go at the bottom of it. It's kind of hard to do it with one hand. You ain't have nobody to shoot the video, but you get it a little bit at a time. I get it. You don't want the leak and come off on you. There we go. Turn. That should be dead right now. That's good. We got that on. Now, just put the plug back in there and put the oil in there. Screw the plug back in there. Got a little hard tripping, but that's okay. Screw it back in there. There we go. It's a ratchet. I think I'm using, what is this? Looks like it is. A 5/8 will do it, but my 5/8 wasn't gripping it hard enough. So I got, see what I got. I got a 15 millimeter. That 15 millimeter gonna grab it. It's gonna get it in there. There we go. Slide it back up. There we go. Yeah. Then put the oil in there. Now we're finna pour this oil in. I don't know what the fun I was looking for it, but I'll just forget it. We'll just pour it in there. Just take your time. We get it in there. I know the video gonna be kind of in the dark because it's getting dark. I should have did this in the daytime, but I'm doing it now. I'm gonna get this all in here. Let me get the other one. Now, this is the big one right here. This is the 5 quart. And the other one I just pulled the 1. And we're gonna try to get it in there real good. If you splash it on there, we can just wipe it off a little bit. All right, let's check it. Make sure it ain't too much. Most of the time, you better, make sure, just in case. Yeah, we can still use a little bit more. It's supposed to go up to about there on the stick. That's it. Clean this off. Real good. Put your top back on there. Cap. Check it again. That's probably a little bit up there because it's sitting on ramps. We got it sitting on ramps. So when you get it level, then we'll exactly know it's good. Well, that's it, y'all. That's how to change your oil in a 2013 Cadillac XTS. And we'll be doing more videos on fixing this car. At cabin filter, tie rods, inner and outer tie rods on both sides, and lower control arm on the passenger side. And find out where that oil leak coming from. And that's it. We're ready to roll. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe.